welcome back to the channel. I have some good news. We got the house. We just left the realty office. HP, Highest Point Real Estate Property Management. Gave him a bunch of money. Picked up our keys. We're gonna head over there now to Fountain to our house. Are you excited?
Yeah.
Well, we live in an HOA, so we gotta be real discreet.
But we have a clubhouse, babe.
Yeah, it's everybody's clubhouse. So yeah, we gotta be a little bit discreet with what we're doing as far as vehicle stuff goes. I don't think I should have an issue with that because the shit box can fit sideways in the garage and I'll just close the door. They won't know what I'm doing. And if I have to, I'll go somewhere to do it. But we're gonna head over there. First impressions, not bad. Military town. So, you know, it is what it is. Ugh. Got a bunch of junk in here from the hotel. Freaking stay. I even got her. Oh, look at that. I do. It doesn't go the right way though, does it? Alright, we'll see y'all at the house. I have to say that it really is not gonna hurt my feelings having to look at that mountain up there every day. But I also have to say that I don't think the HOA folks are gonna appreciate my VR6 very much. I'm gonna have to drive out of there in 5th gear every day. Oh, the guy in the Camry behind me is probably like, no, what a fucking dick. But hell yeah, man. Mountain's right there. I don't know if you can really see it. Mountain. Tasha's in the Challenger in front of me. And yeah, we're on the way. Gotta hit the highway. It takes about 20 minutes to get there. And then hopefully we're meeting her parents there and unloading the trailer and then dropping that off tomorrow, or Saturday, they said before 9. So should be good to go on that. Hopefully all my YouTube dreams come true here in Colorado. Get to meet some cool folks, boosted boys and all that shit. Oh shit, I'm in like 3rd gear. Well, we'll see you at the house. So, we just pulled into the neighborhood. There y'all go. Living in that super HOA. But I dig it. Oh man, them driveways are gonna be a hell. This is never gonna be able to be in the driveway. If that has to be in the driveway, Jesus, we're gonna get some ramps. We should have really had somebody come look at this house before we just took it. Damn, that's nice though. Some nice places around here. Oh, I'm in like full 4th gear. I'm a quiet boy mode right now too. These people don't need to hear anything or anyone doing anything bad. Be quiet. Alright, guys, got a boat. Okay, we got some motorcycles and some trucks with some exhaust on them. Yeah, that driveway is gonna be no bueno. We're gonna have to get the exhaust done on this car pretty quick. Oh, looks like our parents beat us here, damn. Yeah, everybody got exhaust on their trucks. Done. Gang. 10714. Which one is it? That's 13. Oh, yeah, I guess Tasha got it. Damn, motherfucker already parked in front of my shit. That's some bullshit. Man, see, this one would have been nice right here. A little half-ass cul-de-sac thing going on. Whoop, for sure. I don't know why she would pull into the driveway. Oh yeah, because there's people parked in front of my shit. So, we'll see y'all in a second when we figure out what's going on. Here it is. Super HOA house. Super bougie neighborhood. I know, man. There's like 3 of them that we passed, so we just backed the trailer up here. We gotta go inside and start looking at the house. Gotta do a quick walkthrough with y'all, and then we're gonna start inspecting things.
Yes, ma'am. Sounds good, ma'am. Thank you.
Oh man, look at that. People want to introduce themselves already. What nice people. The last time we moved in the other house we moved into, ain't nobody come over?
No.
They fucking hate us. All right, ready? Gonna go in. So here's the front door. Get your little steps. I'm gonna have a chair out here. Yell at kids. Smells new in here. This is a brand new house. So $17.50 for brand new house? Fuck it. Ew, oh, squishy carpet. We got one little closet here. So this would be the guest room, huh? For sure, because it's right here in the front by the kitchen. I know. Dope. You can move in and pay half the rent. We'll go back to the office right now. $17.50? That hurts my feelings a lot. Considering I just got done paying $900 for 3 years. So we got the old kitchen. These are not bullshit countertops. Nice countertops. Got a nice dishwasher. Nice fridge. We got laundry room here, which I'm assuming goes to the garage. Yep. What is this room? There's your little water heater room. Slash gas and all that bullshit. All right. Got another closet here. We'll see. I don't know if we'll ask Vivint to see what they want to do with that, because I really want our thermostat on there. But we really don't need it. Oh, we do need it attached at least. So this is I think the hall bedroom with the stains right there. There's the stains. You can see them.
Oh, it's nice.
It's a walk-through closet. Hey guys, Tasha came out the closet. Yeah, I thought she was gay when I met her, so it's okay. It's a nice. So, okay, yeah, that front
room is the guest room because I want Holly next to us.
Guest room, yeah, the office. I'd say. Hey, we have access to outside. Woo! Well, I mean,
why?
You know, to be realistic, I can't complain about what they want for rent. What? We got like 3 inches of grass to mow. What?
I thought that was another closet because I didn't catch my eye that there was no toilet in here.
Oh, they even left us 3 rolls of toilet paper. They're not gonna be prepared for the coronavirus, can't?
Did you look at it?
Oh, so this is your
closet.
Oh my god, this is all mine right here. This whole side is gonna be my closet. Oh my god. I've never lived in a house this nice, guys.
We got a deeper tub so we can. Oh, we gotta show y'all Holly.
Oh, we can put the neck floaty on her and put her in the tub.
Look at the bubbles. Oh, look at the brown thing.
Look, and then while she's sitting in the freaking tub, I can smash my ass against the glass. All that's stained in the video too.
I really love this house.
Oh, it's super nice. That's why she bought it for an investment property back in Coney. So we got the puppy dog. What's up, buddy? What you doing? What you doing, bud? I know it's not quite as. We're gonna do a little bit of raking on this stuff here, but it's a big enough grass spot for me to throw some cornhole. We got a pretty decent sized yard. You can't really dig. Okay. Oh yeah, there's the screen door they were talking about. So they just took the screen door out and like left it out here. We can put a few things over here if we need to store some stuff. But yeah, overall I'm pretty happy with it. $17.50 a month is what you get in Colorado. You mean what? You mean with that? Yeah. Man, look at this counter. It has 1, 2, 3, 4 outlets. So we can like actually put stuff on the counters and plug it in. That's great. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh man. Oh, guess we're selling the microwave. Yep. Oh yeah, it's a fucking huge house. All right, well, we're gonna inspect the house real quick, and then we'll be back with you when we start kind of unloading shit. Well, good morning, guys. It is day 2 at the new house, and yesterday it was like 70 friggin' degrees. There's people going to work and stuff, and today it's snowing. So we'll see what kind of accumulation we get here, but it's snowing pretty decent already. I mean, it's decent for like a start, but yeah. So the movers are going to be coming today, so we got to move all the cars somewhere down the road. Thank God, like, everybody's going to be at work, and they're just going to be loading shit into the house through the garage and the front door here. As you guys already kind of saw the quick walkthrough, we'll show, we'll walk you guys through some features and stuff of, what we like about the house a lot and what isn't so awesome. But for now, we're gonna wait for the movers to come, and then we're gonna get the house set up a little bit and start kind of taking care of stuff so we can have a nice home. I love it here so far. First impression of the town, pretty decent. But yeah, we'll see you guys in a little while. Alright, let's flip on the big light. What's up, guys? So as you can see, it's a new day. We've been working diligently to get a lot of our shit taken care of, unboxed, so we can find out what we're missing to make sure we don't need a claims form or anything like that to fill out, which when we have them, but I don't want to fill anything out. We have so far in the garage, we had all this stuff over here, so we were looking for the shelves for our entertainment center inside, and we moved all this stuff over here. We had to open every box just to look through them and see which boxes are what and where they all go in the house. So far, we moved all this stuff over here from the area right here. So all this space used to have all that crap in it. So we moved the tool cart over here. This is going to stay here. I'm going to build like a workbench coming across here. That's going to be there. The shelving is going to go up all the way so we can store crap. The white toolbox and red toolbox are going to go there. We already got the light hung up there. We're going to hang 2 more above the bench over here. And then the freezer's right there. Man, it's been a long couple days moving stuff. But we've been working diligently to get back to the car content. So, let me shut off the main switch here. It's going to get dark. Oh, terrible lighting in here. We also got the big LED light to hang up, but we'll wait for that for another day until we find it. But right now, we got washer and dryer put in. We got the baby's room we got more shit in there to look through that needs to get organized and checked. But we got some of the baby stuff in here. We got to put the crib back together. We got the guest bathroom pretty much put together. Some cute little shit. I don't know. It's a bathroom. And this house has like 1,000 closets, right? So we have this little like linen closet right here. Freaking crazy, man. When we go like into the master bedroom, I know I did like a quick walkthrough of this place, but we got our dressers in here now. We got our TV up. Started kind of setting up some knickknacks and stuff. There's my Dale cutouts right here. And then from there, we can go into the backyard. We got all of our empty boxes right there. Neighbors all still seem pretty nice. And then we got our master bathroom, which we got set up pretty good. What's up, people? I'm just holding the GoPro right now. Big ass shower, big ass tub. This floor here is about 15 square feet in here. So like, I'm standing like almost behind the toilet. Like, I can't reach the switch. Big ass. Just for a toilet, man. Now here's like the crown jewel of this freaking room. In this bathroom. Walk in here. Look at this closet, man. You can literally shut the door behind me. And this, I mean, I could realistically make this my office. Like, I don't think there's any power outlets in here, but I mean, it's got a heating duct right there. I got my cowboy hats up there, my other hats over here, all my bullshit, like that I never wear. But I mean, you could put like a desk in here and have a chair like behind the door, and then you just walk in here, close the door, roll that chair out, and you'd be left alone. I don't know. I didn't even really think about that till just now. Back to light. Well, and then, see, I can't even shut doors. Bam. So, we got everything kind of going on over here, and we just got to put, why did everybody stop talking? Because I'm talking to my camera. So, all this stuff over there on the counter. We're going to put stuff up on top of the cupboards and stuff. So we're going to try something cool. It's a little bit hillbilly, I guess. But we're going to put a Dale Jr. and a Dale Earnhardt cutout right here on this cupboard and one right there on the other side. So, or we can do like the two Dale Earnhardts there and the Dale Jr. up top. So, I don't know yet. But we got a little coffee nook right there. Got some other shit there. Got all our stuff taken care of. We can sell the microwave because we got that thing. Yeah. And then we got... You're going to be in a YouTube video. I got to say that. So, in here we just took our couches and like did the three-seater, and then the corner, because it's the only way it'll work. We need a bigger TV because this wall is projector worthy. And then we got all this kind of set up already. Got our little Jack Daniels key rack. Happy I finally get to hang that up. It's a little mirror. Works pretty good for the keys though. And we got our little, there we go, lights. Wow, that didn't do anything. Little entryway table. And we just have like the little wipers. Hey, look, man. Alright, well, I think that's going to be probably it that we're going to talk about. So, hope you guys enjoyed watching us move in, I guess you could say. Still got a lot to do. I'm sure there'll be a little bit in the next video as well. But for now, we're just going to be organizing shit. We're going to try to get back to the car content pretty quick. We got a bunch of stuff to do with the shit box because of the exhaust, but we'll talk about that in the next video. So, like, share, subscribe, hit the buttons to do notifications, and we'll see you on the next one.